Hi, my name is Humayun and I'm going to present my Capstone project 1, which is based on salary trends for data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence jobs over the past few years. Um, in this project we're looking at the salary and job openings, like how they have been impacted over the last few years, how the experience influences salaries with top common job titles. The project is also deployed at Netlify. I've included a link. Source code is available on GitHub. The technologies I've used are Python, Pandas, Bokeh library. This is just like a snapshot of the website or the project I've built. I'm not gonna go through all of them as we have like 3 to 5 minutes of time limit. But yeah, you can get a general overview of what has been built by looking at this image. Yeah, let's get into it. So number of hirings, how that has been increasing over the past few years. So basically it's just like you can see like 2020, 2021 there wasn't much interest, and like a little bit of interest started developing when ChatGPT was released in 2022 in November, and then you can see like an exponential increase in 2023, then 2024, 2025. It's mainly because with ChatGPT, the generative AI drove like massive adoption across the sectors. Also, like the talent shortage and reskilling was just booming after 2023 and 2024. Also, we will talk about this later as well, but yeah, we can just move on to the next one. As you can see, like average salaries wasn't that much higher in 2020 and 2021. It rose exponentially in 2022. I think this is mainly due to the ChatGPT and like the rise of demand in this sector, and then like it kept rising, sorry, in 2023, 2024. 2025 so far has seen like a bit of stagnant salaries. It's mainly, I guess, due to the skilled workers being there now, being trained, and like also the economic conditions are not that great. The top titles by salaries are of course like research team leads, analytics engineering manager, data science, applied AI, and like data architect. Of course, these are like the most senior positions, head of applied AI, that needs like 6 to 8 years of experience. The most common job titles are like data analyst, data engineer, data scientist. Machine learning engineer is just something new in the last few years, so it's not that common these days, but it's getting there so far. So as we were discussing, like ChatGPT release coincides with major boost in number of jobs for data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence engineers. The generative AI has introduced like numerous job roles such as AI prompt engineers. Yeah, as we saw like in the previous slides, that experienced AI ML engineers are being paid premium salaries. That's of course due to the sudden rise of AI that coincides with the ChatGPT release. The data set I've used was found on Kaggle and has over the last 5 years of the salaries, and then it's also due to the fact has been collected from different sources. But yeah, the general gist of the project is since the release of ChatGPT, there is a high demand and like high experienced engineers are being paid premium salaries, especially in the States. Yeah, so that's my project for the Capstone 1. I will also post like the links in the Slack as well. Thank you for watching.